Hurry up, come on. You're holding me up. You're in an exit lane, go. Hey, go.
It wasn't even a matter of this is making me mad and I'm pissed off. This is hurting.
At this time, in December of, right before, it seems like WWE is trying a lot of things on. You've got him facing Shamrock. You've got Owen interfering and taking the black card. You've got Undertaker.
Jesus. You may notice the bonnet of my car looks a little different than it used to. That's because this isn't my old car. We've got a new car.
He's got a brand new car. Looks like a Jaguar. The seats. It's got a CD player.
And since I got a new car, I thought, well, to try and make my videos for you guys just a little bit better, maybe it's time for a new camera. So we've upgraded from the Garmin 45 to the Garmin 55.
Gentlemen, ladies, for your viewing pleasure.
A few little differences, not a major difference, but the one main difference is this one records in higher resolution and higher frame rates. So we should be bringing you even better pictures and better video quality.
Another was the rapper Riff Raff. And he sent one to Cassiopeia. Another was Zeus, Tony Tiny Lister.
What the fuck do you do
And he
now?
sent one to my buddy Rock Crotch.
Wow.
It's great.
That's a new
I can
one.
just keep going, but
This complete imbecile of a taxi driver who's now just done a double lane change, is now back behind me now, is going in the left lane. Look at this retard. So we've got a Testicle 1648.
Well, no shit.
What the? What an idiot. Oh guys, you can't go that way. What idiots. Absolute idiots. Jesus. Oh my god.
Wrestlers don't always fare well there, and
Fucking
particularly
rental
if your last name is Bischoff. So
Look at
I
this
tried to
idiot.
talk him out of it, but it was his dream, it was his goal, and after I tried for
What
a
an
period
idiot.
of time to talk him out of it and realized I could, then the only other thing I could do was support it. So when I
Total fucknut in this rental car. Jesus Christ. You're an idiot. Huh.
did 95, so
Fuckhead.
much of the audience for
Jesus.
WCW
See that?
was
You.
still
Nice job.
That son of a bitch cut me off.
So we've got a complete slap deck here. And he's about to get cut off. And he's pissed off right now as he just got cut off by...
Hell, I like you. You can come over to my house and fuck my sister.
Oh, I love that irony. The wanker cuts me off, and now he's going to try and cut off a truck. Great work. What an idiot. Oh, love it. Absolutely love it. Oh, it's good shit. What a absolute knuckle dragger. Look at this idiot. What an idiot. You got Chode, idiot moron 7-1, decides to just screw you all, I'm just going to come around the outside. What's wrong with people today?
WCW. And I remember there was a company-wide meeting. I swear to God, I remember this. There was a company-wide meeting, and I think it was.
Two idiots. Brilliant work, people. There he goes. Couldn't help it. And he's a loner. Terrible. Another Holden. This guy's just holding everyone up. Sorry, excuse me, it's not a Holden. I actually... Yes, it is a Holden, it's not a... Yeah, it is a freaking Commodore. Look at this meat brain. Absolute meat brain. This car looks dirty. Learn to get out of the lane, mate. We've got Yobbo, idiot, 7-6 Zoolander. No brains. I don't even think they're going to actually get out of this lane. No. They're just like, fuck you.
These assholes!
Oh, fucking... Seriously.